Electricity. It powers our homes, our phones, and even our bodies, but what exactly is it? Electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. These electrons are always on the move, and when we harness their energy, we create electricity. Think of electricity like water flowing through a pipe. The more water that flows, the stronger the current. Understanding electricity is important because it plays a vital role in our lives. Direct current, or DC, is like a one-way street for electrons. In DC, the electrons flow in a single direction, from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Batteries are a common source of DC power. Think of a battery like a water pump that pushes water in one direction. Alternating current, or AC, is different from DC. In AC, the electrons change direction constantly, flowing back and forth. Imagine a water pump that changes direction, pushing the water back and forth. This back-and-forth flow is what makes AC unique. Power outlets in our homes use AC power. In the late 1800s, a battle raged between two brilliant inventors, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. Edison championed DC power and believed it was the safest and most efficient way to deliver electricity. Tesla, on the other hand, believed in the potential of AC power. He argued that AC was more efficient for long-distance transmission. This rivalry, known as the War of Currents, shaped the future of electricity. Section 5. How direct current works, a battery's tale. Imagine a battery. Inside, chemical reactions create a difference in electrical potential between the positive and negative terminals. When you connect a device to the battery, electrons flow from the negative terminal through the device and back to the positive terminal. This one-way flow of electrons is what we call direct current. Section 6. How alternating current works. A generator's story. Alternating current is generated using a device called an alternator. Inside an alternator, a rotating magnet creates a changing magnetic field. This changing magnetic field induces an electrical current in nearby wires. The current produced by an alternator changes direction many times per second, creating alternating current. Section 7. Direct current versus alternating current. A battle of strengths. Both DC and AC have their own advantages and disadvantages. DC is simpler and more stable, making it ideal for sensitive electronic devices. Batteries and solar panels produce DC power. AC is more efficient for long-distance transmission and can be easily converted to different voltages. Power plants generate AC power. The choice between DC and AC depends on the specific application. Section 8. Everyday uses of direct current and alternating current. Direct current powers many of our everyday devices such as smartphones, laptops, and LED lights. Alternating current, on the other hand, is what powers our homes and businesses. Large appliances like refrigerators and washing machines use AC power. The next time you charge your phone or turn on a light, think about the type of current that makes it possible. Section 9. The importance of understanding both currents. Understanding the difference between DC and AC is essential in today's world. Whether you're an electrician, an engineer, or simply someone who wants to know how things work, a basic understanding of these two types of current is crucial. From the devices we use every day to the power grid that supplies our homes, DC and AC play vital roles in our lives. By understanding the principles behind these two types of current, we can better appreciate the technology that surrounds us.